Hello there, how are you going? Pete here again. Just a quick update with regards to the video I posted 2 videos ago when we went out to Big Riggin and I had problems with my Wi-Fi and I was able to get any service from my Vodafone SIM or my Aldi/Telstra SIM. So when I got back I did actually make things change, and I noted that the Starlink Minis were on special with I think $150 off, so I went down to our Officeworks and grabbed one from there and had to put it on a plan. Something to note is that if you buy it directly from Starlink, you don't have to put it on a plan and you can just hold it until you're ready to use it. But the way I bought it, you have to put it on a plan. So I went on to the $80 50 gig plan for the first month. So I've actually been testing it out at home and I got it mounted. I've actually used something that I found on the internet, and I had an old I'm looking over there because that's where it's mounted. I actually mounted it on an old pool extended pole. So I put one of the 2 brackets that come with it, and if I just zoom up there you can just see I screwed the bracket into it and it holds on the pool pole really well. Just have a look at the other side of the pool pole. Hang on a sec. So I just fastened that on the inside of the pool fence for now. Just testing it out because we haven't actually been away. But it's been working quite well. So that's running off the house power 240. I bought a few little bits and pieces for it, not much really. I just got this case so I can store it away when it's not in use, and I also bought this USB-C cable from Amazon, I think it was. So I plan to use this with the Bluetti when we're away in the van. But yeah, it's working really well. I've had it, as I say, I've had it set up over there and it's worked fine without issues. So it shouldn't be much of a problem to get it working in the van. I think we paid $4.48 for it. It was $80 for the first month, and then just before the end of the month I dropped it down to the, what is it, $15 for 10 gigs. I could have put it on pause, but I thought, oh, I'll just leave it because occasionally we do get crappy signal here at home because we're in a bit of a lull. So when that happens, especially if I'm working from home, I actually flick it over to the Starlink, and the Starlink's always got signal, whereas me Telstra NBN can sometimes be questionable. So it's on the $15 10 gig plan at the minute, and if we go away, all you need to do is go into the app, change it up to the bigger plan, and you'll just be charged pro rata until the end of that billing month, because your billing month never changes from the day that you set it up. So mine was the 9th, so as long as I change the plan back down before the 9th, I'll get billed the smaller amount on the following month. So yeah, there you go, just a quickie. Starlink Mini working well so far, though I've not been out in the van recently because I've been getting this back garden sorted. So yeah, let me know what you think. Have you got a Starlink Mini? Catch you later.